So riding through the Browns property here in Qualicum, so beautiful. There's really large trees in here, fir trees, cedar trees. Yeah, it's so great. So today is Mike's first ride since COVID, and it's my third. So we'll just do a nice tour around Qualicum Beach and check out the sights and the trails. There's really good trails around here, and paved paths, chipped paths. Yeah, you have your pick of surfaces of what you want to ride. It's fabulous. How are you feeling on your first ride back?
Not too bad. Actually, better than I thought it was.
Yeah.
I know on the walks I still get that tightness, but in the chest, but I'm not getting that right now, so which is nice.
Excellent. Finally on the mend. Woohoo! Hopefully. Except I have really weird kind of COVID brain. I do weird things sometimes. Like later I'll show you what I did when I got home yesterday and I wanted to wash my bike. And then I realized I couldn't wash it because there's an old dresser blocking the door. In my mind I invented that, but after I'll show you. I mean, sometimes I have memory moments anyways, but now it's just sometimes a little bit scary. I hope it goes away soon. Kitty, what are you doing? Oh, it's gone. It's funny, we seem to be seeing lots of cats on the side of the road today. Alive ones, mind you, thank goodness. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Usually it's deer or dogs, but not usually cats. It's cat day. There's usually llamas there and lots of sheep and no goats, sheep. But yeah, I don't know where they are. They're hanging out inside today, I guess. Nice and smooth because we're on a paved path now. It's nice, you have your choice. You can ride gravel or you can ride pavement. Beautiful gardens at the gardens.
The best raspberry gin.
You got that at the farmer's market?
Farmer's market.
Yum.
Best cough syrup ever.
You better bring it to work.
We'll have to talk to Charmaine.
Yeah, that'll be
Sounds
fun.
good.
What else did you get at the farmer's market?
We got some cards. I got some bee posters.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you. Hand painted.
Oh, bees. Carrie loves bees.
Yeah,
Carrie has bees.
has bees.
But
Yeah.
what happened to them this year?
Not very good.
Aw.
No honey.
No honey, honey.
No honey,
Aw,
no.
That's too bad. Next year.
Next year. we're gonna work on the spring rainfall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
And what are the guys doing?
These beautiful trails are right in Qualicum Beach. It's so nice. super fun to run into Carrie and Dean at the market there. And they invited us over tonight to their campsite. Well, that's gonna be fun. Let's try out that raspberry gin, though I'm not really into that, but they can enjoy it. This is where I saw the Sasquatch. It's in one of my other videos if you want to check it out. Sasquatch sighting in Qualicum Beach. I think it's all roped off because of Sasquatches. Now we're in the deep, dark forest. What did you say this is?
This is actually one of the water wells for the town of Qualicum where they get all their drinking water. They got a few around town, and they actually pull water out of a it's called Quader Sands Aquifer, which is / creeks under the water or underground.
Really?
And that aquifer, what I've been told, is runs all the way from Quader Island up by Qualicum River, and it goes, I don't know if it goes to Victoria or almost to Victoria, but they pull all their water up through there and then it comes up and they treat it.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's where Qualicum gets the drinking water from?
Yeah, it's all from underground. It's not surface water.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. Thanks.
Yep. Yeah, I know.
I'd like to go for a swim actually, so I don't really care if I fall. The current is stronger than it seems. People would have carried their bikes. Oh well. Woohoo!
Oh, that was something different.
So we just crossed the Little Qualicum River in Qualicum Beach. So pretty. So now we're bushwhacking. Mike just whipped a branch at me. Good thing I had my helmet on. Safety first. What time is it? It's what? It's noon? Oh shoot. I'm supposed to pick my mom up at noon. And it's noon. That's what happens when you go on adventures. You need a day, not half a day. Spirit stump. Lots of spirit stumps in here. This is the most beautiful forest ever near the Little Qualicum River. So unbelievably beautiful in here. We've had a lot of different trails today. We've had paved paths, chip trails, gravel, mountain bike trails, river trails. What a spectacular day it's been. It's so nice to be doing stuff again after having, you know what, for a while. Whoa, I almost fell. And I swallowed a bug. Oh my goodness, hazards of being out in the forest. Yeah, so maybe we'll go, not maybe, we're gonna go visit Carrie and Dean tonight at their campsite, and it's gonna be awesome. So thanks again for coming along. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye. Bye from Mike too. He's so far ahead. See ya. The Heritage Forest was formerly owned by the Brown family. The Brown Family Trust had planned to sell the property. The forest was going to be cut down and divided into 110 building lots. Local resident Ann Cleese happened to find a piece of paper on the sidewalk that outlined this plan. Ann and her husband Leo contacted the neighbors and other town residents and let them know that the forest was about to be destroyed. This group formed the Browns Property Preservation Society, and they raised money to purchase the land. Hundreds of volunteers worked to raise over $1 million, and the town of Qualicum Beach contributed the rest to purchase the land for $1,835,000. This huge volunteer effort protected this beautiful forest from being destroyed. When the property was turned over to the town of Qualicum Beach, the name was changed to the Heritage Forest. Thank you to all the volunteers for saving this beautiful forest.